Hi, welcome. Today, you will learn 10 English phrases. You can say them today. But first, let me tell you a short story. Hi, my name is Sarah. It's my first day in a new city. I want to practice English, but I feel nervous. I meet someone at the cafe. I smile and say hi. My name is Sarah. I'm learning English. They speak fast. I don't understand. So I say, "One moment, please. Can you say that again?" They smile. They speak slower. I listen. And I say, "Thank you so much." I like it. We laugh. I feel better, but I'm tired. So I stand up and say, "Have a nice day. Now it's your turn." Let's say the 10 phrases together. Hi, my name is Sarah. Repeat. Hi, my name is. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm learning English. Say it slowly. I'm learning English. Now natural. I'm learning English. Can you say that again? Repeat. Can you say that again? Again. Can you say that again? I don't understand. Say it with me. I don't understand. Now you. One moment, please. Try it. One moment, please. Again, one moment, please. Thank you so much. Let's say it. Thank you so much. Good. Where is the bathroom? Say it slowly. Where is the bathroom? Now natural. Where is the bathroom? I like it. Repeat. I like it. Again. I like it. I'm tired. Say it with feeling. I'm tired. Now you. I'm tired. Have a nice day. Let's say it. Have a nice day. One more time. Have a nice day. You did it. You spoke real English today. You used your voice. That's powerful. See you next time. Subscribe now and start using your voice in your English speaking gym.